waterman of India. When I reached Rajasthan in the year 1959 to set up health centers in the region, I realized that people needed water more than health care. So I started working with the villagers to build dams called reservoirs, a traditional technique of collecting water. Recently, there are more than 8,600 reservoirs. Let's